Hi, this is Scott Brown with a Motor Age Product Insights on the new Mightyvac MV7100 series fluid handling tools. For me, fluid handling always presents challenges, and I like to keep those operations as clean and neat as possible. Removing fluids, inspection, measuring, and refilling is oftentimes difficult. For many years, I've been using Mightyvac solutions for fluid handling, which has introduced tons of workflow efficiency. With the new 7100 series, fluid evacuators, dispensers, new efficiencies are abundant. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient solution for your fluid management tasks, these tools have you covered. The MV7100 series includes 3 kits: a vacuum brake bleed kit, an ATF refill kit, and a pressure brake bleed kit. Each kit is designed to perform specific tasks with ease. And what's really cool is that these fluid evacuators dispensers come with complete kits with a wide range of common adapters. Whether you have a small or large project, Mityvac has you covered. The MV7100 series offers 4 different reservoir sizes, from 2.5, 5, 10, and 20 liters. This flexibility allows you to choose the capacity that best suits your needs. Using compressed air, these evacuators dispensers work quickly and efficiently. They make fluid maintenance tasks simple and straightforward, saving you valuable time and effort. Brake fluid service happens daily in my shop, and oftentimes we're faced with a 2-man brake bleeding operation. With the new MV7840 pressure bleeder, we're now able to complete this task with a single operator. The other awesome feature I like is that you can quickly switch between the collection tank and the filling tank with ease, increasing workflow efficiency. These evacuators dispensers are essential for a workshop focused on producing high-quality work at an efficient pace. With complete kits, a variety of adapters, and multiple reservoir sizes, I believe that these tools will become your go-to solution. Visit the Mightyvac website today to explore more about these exceptional products. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.